Hi everyone and welcome back. It's the last week of summer in Australia and today I left my pepper garden to check out the South Australian Chilli Fest in Willunga to celebrate all things chili. This was a hot pepper lover's dream, which included pepper plants, produce and pepper inspired foods which were available for sample tasting and purchase. There was also cooking demonstrations and a wide range of chili merchandise available for purchase, as well as live entertainment and food. Upon arriving, the first thing I did was check out the plants available from Hillside Herbs. Hillside Herbs is a nursery based at McLaren Vale, and to my knowledge they have the largest range of pepper varieties in the state available, as well as many rare varieties. They have been my go-to for emergency seedlings when my seeds do not germinate. I decided to purchase 3 varieties to put in my greenhouse and keep for seeds for next season. I chose peach ghost pepper, mustard habanero and red ricotto. Most of their plants had a decent amount of ripe and unripe pods. I spent the rest of my time here sampling a variety of hot pepper products from various companies and smallholders, most of which are family owned. Brutus returned for this year's festival. As soon as I tried the mild cayenne and fiery ghost sauces, I was hooked and just had to purchase a bottle of each. Their handcrafted sauces have that classic umami taste associated with fermented hot sauces that I enjoy. The chili factory never disappoints. I purchased a few seeds from them, with plants now thriving. They have a wide variety of pastes and sauces and are also known for their extensive range of spicy seasonings and rubs. One of my favourite stalls every year is White's Valley Jalapenos. Norma and her family run this successful business. Just look at their accolades and their range. Their wide variety of chili pepper products is amazing and always inspires me and gives me new ideas when it comes to cooking, preserving and fermenting hot peppers. You can really see their passion for peppers and it shows in their products. This year I decided to spoil myself, so I got myself 2 packs of various super hot fresh pods, which they always have available this time of year, some jalapeno peanut brittle, humbugs which are spicy candies, and a bottle of chipotle sauce. In my opinion, the festival was a huge success and paid homage to the chili pepper. I am so glad that I went. I had a great time. I enjoyed sampling mild, spicy and super hot produce, and I am also grateful to have met some great people who share my passion for hot peppers and spicy food. Most importantly, I went to support local businesses and families. If you went to the festival, let me know in the comments what you sampled and what you liked. With the festival done for another year, it's time to turn my attention back to my garden and start to think about fermenting and preserving. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you same chili time, same chili channel.